entering towards your beautiful living and dining area. Table, you will be getting your kitchen area. So in kitchen, here comes your bedroom. So this is your bedroom area. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at biggest township in Aerospace Tech Park, that is Brigade Eldorado, a project by Brigade Group. And today we are here to check out their one bedroom sample flat. But before that, let's check out the surrounding of the project. So here is the marketing office and the actual land parcel comes behind the sales office, that is the marketing office itself. So the construction work of the tower which is going on, those towers are available now, and behind that the construction which is completed is the towers which already been sold out. So we'll have a look at the whole township with the help of miniature later on. But before that, let me tell you that what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom read guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many calls. But where in Housey we connect you directly with developers because the listing is done directly by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's do the project overview of this township. So your township will look like this. This is total 50 acres of township with total 12 towers. The towers which are visible in this miniatures are being sold out over here. Whichever future development part is shown, that is the tower which is available for you all now. The latest description, let's have a look at this part. So over here you can see the Beryl and the Cobalt. These two towers are available. So in Cobalt 1+1 Jodi units are available, and this is for the mixed development, like you will be getting 1 BHK the commercial and even the Jodi apartments over here. Now additionally, let me inform you that these towers are coming with ground plus 21 floors. So let me show you the amenities part over here. So as you can see, there are 70 plus luxurious amenities like of 2 clubhouses with the basketball court, the football ground, with the cricket pitch, the garden area. Additionally, this township is coming with 2000 plus trees for nice ventilation purpose. And now, as you know, this is the one clubhouse and another clubhouse over that side. Both clubhouses have infinity pool, so you can enjoy your sunset and sunrise in this swimming pool. And this part over here, the artificial lake is covered of 5 acres of land parcel. Additionally, you will be getting the hospital inside the township itself. Now coming to the location part, this project is located in Aerospace Tech Park, Bangalore. And as you can see, this is the main road of this project, and over this side, it will connect you towards the airport. And the opposite side road, this will connect you towards the Bangalore. Now coming towards the connectivity, this project is connected to the airport in just 15 minutes, with the Reva University of Engineering just 5 minutes. Now let's check your 1 BHK of 536 square feet super built up area. So this is your entrance over here. As you can see, once you enter, you will be entering towards your beautiful living and dining area. So this is your living and dining area. Here you can sit your living area like this, with your sofa set in front of your TV unit. And now, here they have provided you with a standing balcony. So here is your standing balcony with iron railing. And now, just over here, you can set up your dining table. So exactly in front of your dining table, you will be getting your kitchen area. So in kitchen area, they have provided with a sink and also fitted granite platform. And here even they have provided with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area. Now let's check your bedroom area, but before that, let me tell you that exactly what Housey does for you. So Housey provides you with the actual location tour with the sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, with payment scheme and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour of each and every project. But for that, you have to do one thing, that is go and register yourself on www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now without wasting time, let's move further. So here comes your bedroom. So this is your bedroom area. Like you can check here, after the bed also you are getting ample of space to move around inside your bedroom. And even they have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now exactly beside me, yani ki behind me, you have given a wardrobe space over here. And beside the wardrobe space comes your attached washroom. This is spacious washroom comes with Indiskit tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are at Brigade Group project. Have you checked another project with Brigade Group? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such details, do not forget to click on the I button for this project detail. And for more such videos, like, follow and subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.